This week in the Wraptor workshop, we've got a bit of everything. A couple of Jaguar XFRs are in for very different reasons. A Toyota GT86's getting a practical upgrade, a Peugeot's in for a quick dechrome, and we wrap things up with the return of an old favourite, the Monster. Welcome to the Wraptor workshop. Beyond the big builds and finished projects, this is where the real work happens. The day-to-day jobs, the ongoing fixes, and everything in between.
Today we have this lovely XFR in for a bit of maintenance and customization. What have we got, Rob?
So today we are putting some EBC performance discs and pads on this vehicle. We are also doing a gearbox service, which includes the complete sump pan and filter replacement. We're also changing the rear differential oil, and while we've got it, we're going to be repairing the passenger front window that does not work.
And on the customization side of things, we're going to be deleting the chrome from the rear of the vehicle here with some gloss black wrap and some little tints that go over these white bits here. Stay tuned, thanks for watching.
While that's going on, we're installing a reverse camera in this Toyota GT86.
Go on then, what we got? Let's see it working. That looks pretty decent, doesn't it? Yeah. Decent view.
Of course. Decent view.
There's a little camera there looking nice and neat. Oh dear, there's something wrong with this. Oh no.
Maintenance and dechrome done. Here's how it looks.
Look who's come back home to see us. It's the Monster, built by us at Wraptor Customs. We haven't seen this car in over a year, and it's just come back to have a few little bits tidied up and things like that to keep it looking sweet. If you like the look of this car, please do check the build out at YouTube/Wraptor Customs. This is the Monster. Thanks for watching.
Now something a bit different. We've got this black Peugeot RCZ in for a dechrome. I'm excited to see how this turns out. We'll check back on this later. While working on this Jaguar XFR, we built a custom exhaust to the owner's spec, refreshed key suspension components, and fitted our uprated rear lower brace. Now let's hear the sound after.
there she's all finished.
We dechromed the front grille bars and the A to C roof pillars in a sporty satin black. And finally, we added a light shade of tint to the rear lamps, still allowing enough light through.
And it's just come back for a few small repairs to trims, etc., to make sure this is looking spot on.
That's a look at what's been going on in the Wraptor workshop. Quite the assortment of jobs. If your car is in need of some care or a bit of an upgrade, then you can find information about how to get in touch or about any of our products below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and tune in next week for our next video. Thank you for watching.